Are you tired of being tracked online and having your data stolen by hackers and cybercriminals? Do you want to access any website or app from anywhere in the world without restrictions? If so, then you need Surfshark VPN, the VPN service that offers blazing fast speeds, top-notch security, and unbeatable affordability. And if you stick around till the end of this video, I have a surprise for you that you won't want to miss. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more future updates. So let's start. Let's discuss its usage first. When we talk about the usage of Surfshark VPN, we're essentially talking about how the VPN service can be used in your daily online activities. Surfshark VPN can be used for a wide range of purposes, from accessing geo-restricted content to protecting your online privacy and security. For example, if you're traveling abroad and want to access websites or streaming services that are only available in your home country, Surfshark VPN can help. By connecting to a server in your home country, you can bypass geo-restrictions and access any website or app from anywhere in the world. Similarly, if you're living in a country with internet censorship, Surfshark VPN can help you bypass those restrictions and access any website or app that may be blocked in that specific country. This is particularly useful for journalists, activists, and anyone else who needs to access sensitive information online. In addition to these use cases, Surfshark VPN can also be used for everyday online activities, such as browsing the web, streaming movies or TV shows, and gaming online. With fast speeds and unlimited bandwidth, Surfshark VPN provides a seamless and uninterrupted browsing experience, without any restrictions or limitations. Overall, the usage of Surfshark VPN is incredibly versatile and can be tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking to protect your online privacy, bypass geo-restrictions, or simply enjoy fast and secure browsing, Surfshark VPN has got you covered. FE8TRES. Here are some of the top features of Surfshark VPN. Encryption. Surfshark VPN uses industry-standard AES-256 GCM encryption to protect your online activity and keep your data safe from hackers, cybercriminals, and other prying eyes. Kill switch. Surfshark VPN has a built-in kill switch that automatically disconnects your internet connection if your VPN connection drops, ensuring that your online activity remains secure at all times. Clean web. Surfshark VPN's Clean Web technology blocks ads, trackers, and malware to provide you with a clean and uninterrupted browsing experience. Multi-hop. Surfshark VPN's multi-hop feature allows you to connect to multiple VPN servers in different countries at the same time, providing an extra layer of security and privacy. Whitelister. Surfshark VPN's Whitelister feature allows you to choose which apps and websites you want to bypass the VPN connection, giving you more control over your online privacy and security. P2P-friendly servers. Surfshark VPN offers P2P-friendly servers that allow you to download and share files anonymously and securely. No logs policy. Surfshark VPN has a strict no logs policy, which means that it does not store any information about your online activity, ensuring that your data remains private and secure. Overall, these features make Surfshark VPN one of the most secure and user-friendly VPN services on the market. Whether you're looking for top-notch security features, reliable speeds, or an affordable pricing plan, Surfshark VPN has got you covered. Beneath at ease. Here are some of the key benefits of using Surfshark VPN. Privacy and security. Surfshark VPN encrypts your online activity and hides your IP address, ensuring that your online activity remains private and secure. This is particularly important when using public Wi-Fi networks, which are often unsecured and vulnerable to hacking. Bypassing geo-restrictions. Surfshark VPN allows you to bypass geo-restrictions and access content that may be blocked in your region. This is particularly useful if you're traveling abroad and want to access content from your home country. Enhanced online gaming experience. Surfshark VPN offers fast speeds and low latency, which can improve your online gaming experience by reducing lag and improving game performance. P2P file sharing. Surfshark VPN allows you to download and share files anonymously and securely. which is particularly important if you're concerned about copyright infringement or legal issues. Ad blocking and malware protection. Surfshark VPN's clean web feature blocks ads, trackers, and malware, which can improve your browsing experience and protect you from cyber threats. Multiple device support. Surfshark VPN allows you to connect to the VPN service on multiple devices simultaneously, making it easy to protect your entire family or business with one subscription. Affordable pricing. Surfshark VPN offers competitive pricing plans, which makes it an affordable option for anyone looking to enhance their online privacy and security. Overall, these benefits make Surfshark VPN an excellent choice for anyone looking to protect their online privacy and security, bypass geo-restrictions, and enjoy a faster and more secure browsing experience. Here's a review of Surfshark VPN. Surfshark VPN is a user-friendly and feature-rich VPN service that offers excellent privacy and security features, fast speeds, and affordable pricing plans. His service is easy to set up and use, and it offers a wide range of features, including encryption, a kill switch, ad blocking, and multi-hop. One of the standout features of Surfshark VPN is its affordability. The service offers a range of pricing plans to suit different budgets, and it allows you to connect to the VPN service on multiple devices simultaneously, making it an excellent option for families or businesses. Another great feature of Surfshark VPN is its clean and intuitive user interface. The service is easy to set up and use, even for those who are not technically savvy. The VPN also offers excellent customer support, with a 24/7 live chat feature that is available to answer any questions or concerns you may have. In terms of performance, Surfshark VPN offers fast and reliable speeds, which is particularly important if you're using the VPN for gaming or streaming. The VPN also offers P2P-friendly servers, which allow you to download and share files securely and anonymously. Overall, Surfshark VPN is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a user-friendly and feature-rich VPN service that offers top-notch privacy and security features, fast speeds, and affordable pricing plans. Whether you're looking to protect your online privacy, bypass geo-restrictions, or simply enjoy a faster and more secure browsing experience, Surfshark VPN has got you covered. The overall conclusion of the video is that the trend towards remote work and online communication makes using a reliable VPN service more important than ever before. With strong encryption, a no-logs policy, and support for various platforms and devices, Surfshark VPN offers excellent privacy and security features. It also provides fast and stable connections, allowing users to stream content and browse the web without any interruptions. Overall, Surfshark VPN is a great choice for anyone seeking a high-quality VPN service at an affordable price. Thanks for watching our review of Surfshark VPN. We hope you found it helpful in deciding whether or not to give this VPN service a try. As a thank you for watching until the end, we have a surprise for you. By clicking on the link in the video description, get ready to experience the ultimate online security and privacy with Surfshark VPN. Sign up today to enjoy an incredible 82% discount plus 2-month free trial. And if you're not completely satisfied, take advantage of 30-day money-back guarantee. Don't miss out on this unbeatable offer. That's right, you can enjoy all the benefits and features we discussed in this video. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link in the video description to take advantage of this amazing offer and start enjoying a faster, more secure, and more private online experience with Surfshark VPN today.